एक इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी, इतने सारे सवाल।
सर बस एक आखिरी सवाल। स्मोकिंग?
पर बहुत जल्द शुरू करने वाले हैं।
क्या बोल रहा है?
ये रहा आपका वायर, बहुत जल्द पिघलने वाला है।
कनेक्शन क्या है?
पिघलने के बाद धुआं ही धुआं, खतरनाक हैलोजन वाला।
हो तो
इंश्योरेंस की तरह पावर ऑफ 3 वाली वायर्स भी जरूरी है।
पावर ऑफ 3?
वी-गार्ड एरिज़ो ई-बीम वायर्स, ये ओवरलोड से पिघलता नहीं, जलने पर जहरीले गैस नहीं छोड़ता और ये इको फ्रेंडली भी है। वी-गार्ड एरिज़ो ई-बीम वायर्स।
The eligible youth in your states. PMIS is a voluntary scheme for industry, and in the pilot project, we have achieved a very encouraging response from the industry. A number of companies are giving additional monthly allowances, ma'am, as well as other benefits. As we look at moving from the pilot, and sir, over 4,600 diverse opportunities covering more than 95 districts have been offered. My batchmate and friend Donald has also mentioned the sectors, so I won't repeat them. I would like to tell you that the implementation of the pilot project, right from onboarding of the partner company, when they can offer their internships, the registration, the profile creation, the application by our prospective interns or the applicants, the giving of the offer by the company, the acceptance by the intern, the joining of the intern, and then his or her payment and their progress in the internship journey. This entire end-to-end implementation is being monitored through an online portal. The video which we will be sharing with you will show similar experiences in the Northeast also. We're working on creating a learning community of interns. So a graduate in English in Kolkata is learning how to use social influencers for marketing. An ITI in telecom in a remote district Odisha wants to open his own mobile repairing shop. An engineer from a very small college in Andhra Pradesh is now pursuing his interest in providing learning opportunities to youth from underprivileged backgrounds living in the remotest parts of the country shows that this scheme is a very powerful enabler. The transformative impact of PMIS is already beginning to be visible. We are seeing how earnest and enthusiastic interns are capitalizing on this opportunity. I'm sure they would agree that in both of these fields, the quality of the coaches or the tutors, as well as the avenues which they get for actual practice, is most important for them to perform to their highest potential. The same principle applies experiential learning opportunities to youth, and they have qualifications ranging from 10th, 12th, ITI, diploma to graduates. Hence the internship
benefit of a rooftop solar.
The scheme is helping young people gain valuable experience in prestigious companies. Elizabeth Lalsim got selected to do an internship at a substation of Power Grid Corporation of India in Jaintia Hills of Meghalaya, where she is exploring her passion for electrical engineering.
Since I completed my diploma in electrical engineering, I have got the chance to work in the same field, so it is quite motivating and quite interesting too. I am involved in testing and commissioning, then also I am involved in going to the site, and then I'm also involved in updating the data to the headquarters.
This opportunity has given her not only the real world exposure, but has also helped her grow professionally.